so just getting into this video right now. I'm going to be taking care of this Gulfstream G550 that you see behind me. I'm already suited up. I'm going to be taking care of this aircraft. I'm going to be taking care of everything from the leading edge, the bright work. I'm going to be doing underneath the aircraft. Also going to be cleaning up the windows. A lot of other things to be done. Also inside the landing gear, a lot of stuff. So it's going to be interesting. So hope you enjoyed this video. I know that there's some background noise. You'll hear that. That's exhaust fans in here. It's very, very hot today. It's about 90 degrees. And it is showering off and on, but the humidity level is insane right now. So let me give you a little brief overview on this aircraft. This aircraft is a Gulfstream Pegasus. It's also known as the God Plane. And producer Michael on his YouTube channel actually featured this aircraft, or one of these. They only made a few of them. Most of them are over in the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, and also in KSA, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So that's where you will see this exact jet at. There's not very many of them here in the United States of this exact model. This one gets a lot of flight time. It's used. It is not like some of the other aircraft that we take care of for defense contractors and also for the military, but this one is privately owned and operated. So what I'm going to show you here before, on this bright work, take care of it pretty regularly. And you can see, let's start from right here. This right here is a scuff that's in the aluminum. That can be buffed out. Looks like somebody ran up against it. Okay, so got to take note of that. All right, so as I'm walking down, you'll notice a lot of bugs and bug guts. This aircraft was flown across the country. It's sat out in the rain. It's sat out for days, and it just got really disgusting. But same thing here. All these bugs all over it. Gonna get up there too. Probably wondering, how in the world are you gonna get up there? Well, got a way to get up there. Got a lot of stuff strung all the way from the wheels, and it kicks all the way back on this aircraft. And a lot of it is, well, some of it, like this stuff right here, that's grease, okay? There's grease from the landing gear being greased. So every time that this aircraft is detailed, go over it and grease the fittings. As far as when it's truly detailed. We're talking heavy duty cleaning, followed by pure detailing, beautification, buffing, what is also known as paint correction, which this thing does not need to be paint corrected. We keep up on it, you know, for years now, and it is in phenomenal condition. The paint is great. It's kept in this big, beautiful hangar right over there with that Aston Martin that you just gotta love. I'll show it. Well, icing on the cake, but let's get straight back to this. So it's very important to know what can be used and what cannot be used on an aircraft. And main reason is because it's aluminum. And if you didn't know, aluminum corrodes, and very easily. So a lot of products cannot be used on it. We actually have our own products formulated to use on this that gets through it quickly, but it doesn't hurt anything, and it doesn't remove any of the protective coatings, waxes, etc. that we have on any aircraft that we regularly detail on a normal schedule. The wheels down here, they're normally greased. These are grease fittings here, for instance, but you can see the grease right through here. I'm gonna clean up right around there. But when this thing is flying and when it hits, you figure it's a shock. You know, it's a shock absorber. You can see that. And it throws up grease and gunk all the way down. You figure this thing's going very fast, to say the least. Very fast. So rock chips, stuff like that, but these are actually rivets right here that you're seeing. Typically in some of the other videos, I'll leave a link in the description, or I might just link it right here in the video, of touching up some of this and actually touching up with paint. But as you can see, this is pretty dirty, pretty bad. Bugs all the way down. I'm not gonna walk all the way down there. But then we have the landing gear. And the landing gear looks like that. That's what the rims look like. You can see all underneath there. There we go. And then as I'm coming around here, got the rims. As I'm coming around here, I'm in the gear wheel. Okay. You can clean up a little bit up in here, but cleaning all this up, all this, all in here, all the way down, all the way. Okay. Let me take you this way. Also, going to be cleaning all underneath here where you see this oil that drips down and drips down out of there, and then it blows back, as you can see, all the way to the back of here and blows back. Okay, we're cleaning that up. Also going to be getting this to come clean here. These are also exhaust ports. So here is not so bad, but you can kind of see some of the remnants going all the way down. Okay. When the bright work is polished, you can polish that hue out when that metal is polished. All right, let's see, we were able to do that. All right. And over here, you can see the same thing going on here. Okay. Rims are filthy. You're going to kind of see before and after. I don't even know if I kind of see underneath there. I mean, they're dirty. So I'm going to come over here, show you that. And you're probably wondering, what is the point in keeping the aircraft clean? Well, this is an easy way for me to explain that. The main reason why you want to keep an aircraft clean and why it's imperative is corrosion control, also resale value, and it's very expensive to have an aircraft repainted. Something like this, you're looking at hundreds of thousands of dollars to have an aircraft like this repainted. I mean, it's up there. Now, like nothing flat, just hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to have it repainted. The other thing is when a pilot or someone is coming around doing their pre-flight checks, and they're coming around and they need to see stuff. They need to see if any of this stuff is leaking. They need to be able to see from a maintenance and safety standpoint and from a safety perspective if all this stuff is intact, and see if there's any leaks anywhere on here. Okay? If it's dirty and extremely filthy, yeah, it's going to mess the paint up, like bugs and whatnot, but it's also going to impair the ability to spot safety concerns. So with the aviation, detailing is not just for aesthetics, it's for safety, and that has a lot to do with it. Same thing when we're taking care of the bright work. The bright work is not just bright work. What some of you may or may not know, the wings, and if you're an aviator, that's fine, but this is for folks that don't know, okay? These wings, they look beautiful, they're great, but they heat up. So let's say when the plane is way up in the sky, ice forms on the edge of this wing, okay? Now on smaller planes, you'll see rubber, and what that does, it expands. This actually heats up. This entire wing heats up. So it's bare aluminum, it can corrode, and that's the nature of it. But what we do is we come over it, we use our proprietary methods and products to polish it and then seal the metal all in one step. So lasts quite a long time, properly maintained. Same thing goes up in the front. If you could imagine all this intricate stuff that's going on here, if it was all gummed up and filthy and dirty, yeah, you wouldn't be able to see what was going on. You wouldn't be able to see what's going on, and you would make an assumption, and assumptions are the key to all screw-ups. And you can't make any assumptions when dealing with something like this. You just can't. So what I'm going to do also, I'm going to go ahead and get off all this. This is what's called a quick turn. This is what's going to be. So just wrapped up on this Gulfstream G550. And if you want the instructional video on how to do this, then you need to subscribe to our members only page, and also you can buy products on our Amazon store, so definitely check this out. All right, so just wrapped up with this Gulfstream G550, doing a quick turn on there. Everything is cleaned up, as you can see. And it's super clean all underneath here, all the way down. The whole thing looks beautiful. I'm gonna walk you here. "50-foot wing here, pretty big." Come all the way down. All underneath here is nice and clean. And then of course, rims look great. Landing gear here looks fantastic. Looks great. As you can see, with those rims over here. All underneath here is clean. Coming around, coming around. Rims look great. Landing gear. The brakes there. Rims looking good. Let me show you the brakes over here. Look at that. Looks gorgeous. Looks gorgeous. Okay, now walk all the way around here. As you can see, all up there is nice and clean. Clean. So, all underneath here. And windows. The iconic oval shaped Gulfstream windows. And of course, you can see that cool Gulfstream Pegasus logo there. Pretty awesome. All right, everyone, so that wraps up this video here. If you're in the United States and you're in need of an aviation detailing service, we come to you nationwide and worldwide, international. So from the United States to the Bahamas, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, all over the place. From the Middle East to the UK, right here to the USA, throughout the Caribbean, we're there. So just give us a call, 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. Send us an email, we'll get right to you and we'll get working for you. So we deliver the services right on site, wherever you are. So give us a call. See you on the next video, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. See y'all later.